the 15th edition of the Education Summit in New Delhi. Today we will witness the top-notch educationists from across the country deliberating on a variety of trending topics and challenges faced by the education industry. Their focus will be finding unilateral approach that can impress revolution in the education sector. So without further ado, let's get the schedule rolling and kickstart our summit by taking the blessing of Lord Ganesha. No good cause can be without praying to the mighty God. I would like to welcome on stage Shri Manoj Kumar Kejriwal, Professor Dr. Manpreet Singh Manha, Mrs. Madhu Ahluwalia, Mr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗲, Mr. Ravi Changra, Dr. Ajay Rana, Dr. Naveen Alawat for lighting the lamp. Manpreet Kumar, Dr. 𝗟𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗲 and Tejendra Khurana.